Hi! In front of me is SONY Xperia 10V, and today I would like to show you how you can set up screen lock. You need to begin by going into Devices Settings and scrolling down to access Security. Now tap on Screen Lock and tap on the best login method for you, pattern, PIN or password. Following that, over here you need to create it. Click on Next at the bottom right corner and repeat it in order to confirm it. When you finished, just confirm at the bottom right corner as well. Last but not least, answer this question: how do you want the lock screen to display your notifications? By tapping on the best option from the list of available ones. Show all notification content, show sensitive content only when unlocked, or don't show notifications at all. I will go with the last option, so all I need to do now is choose Done at the bottom right corner. Finally, when I switch off my screen, then turn it back on, I can see that pattern is now required. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!